Okay, to install MySQL, first we gotta install brew, which will keep MySQL and its path configuration everything updated. So to install brew, go to open your browser and type brew.sh and click on this copy icon, copy to the clipboard. Go to terminal and open terminal. There, just paste it, command V, and click enter. Last for your password, enter the password. It won't be shown on the screen, so just enter it fully and then click return. Oops. And click enter again. For me, it's already installed, so it won't do anything. But after your installation finishes, you can type brew install MySQL. It'll install all the dependencies, download and install everything. And once it's done, you have to run this command, brew services restart MySQL. Select Command C for copy and Command V paste. And you're good to go. To open MySQL uroot. And we have MySQL. And to exit it, type exit and it's done.